Number 1. Resilience defines this 1964 Pontiac Catalina Lauren Inn, offered at $4,200 in Pocatello, Idaho. Presenting a two-door coupe in blue over blue with its automatic setup and paid-off status. The engine and transmission are included, though the motor needs a freeze plug and the air ride system requires line routing. Much of the front suspension has already been refreshed, including a disc brake inversion. Rear shocks are still needed. Nearly complete cosmetically, but still clearly a project. It offers a solid foundation for someone wanting a 60s Pontiac with rare trim and substantial work already underway. Number 2. Commanding presence and classic luxury define this 1969 Dodge Monaco, priced at $8,900 in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Featuring an automatic transmission and a 383 cubic inch V8 bore .030 over. With a new intake manifold, Holley carburetor, and electric fuel pump, the engine and transmission maintain matching numbers. Its yellow exterior and off-white interior are complemented by new tires mounted on Kragar mag wheels. Showing 88,000 miles, the Monaco reportedly runs and shifts smoothly, offering a rare, well-equipped four-door sedan for buyers seeking a distinctive late 60s Dodge with both performance and period-correct style. Number 3. Classic and poised luxury define this 1978 Cadillac Sedan DeVille, priced at $3,500 in the Commonwealth of Virginia, United States. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a 425 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and automatic choke, the car runs, drives, and stops well, with most factory features functioning properly, including the fiber optic indicator system. It carries a clean title and is a second-owner vehicle with a fully known ownership history. Recent updates include new tires, a new fuel pump, a stainless steel fuel feed line, a freshly rebuilt carburetor, and new underhood insulation. The odometer is believed to have rolled over. Cosmetic and mechanical considerations consist of peeling clear coat, a Landau top requiring replacement, rust in several areas, a transmission oil leak, a rusted rear muffler, and brakes needing inspection. Included are extra hubcaps, 2 sets of keys, and the original factory service manual, making this Sedan DeVille a solid late 1970s Cadillac offering with honest condition and strong potential as a comfortable classic cruiser. Number 4. Elegant and understated, this 1976 Cadillac Seville, priced at $8,500 in San Francisco, California, features an automatic transmission and a yellow exterior with beige interior. Showing 19,000 original miles and 2 owners, the car is paid off with a clean title. Mechanically, it runs well, though a new battery is needed. With minimal cosmetic or mechanical issues reported, this Seville offers a rare and low-mileage example of a mid-70s Cadillac for buyers seeking a classic luxury sedan with original charm and straightforward usability. Number 5. Classic and cheerful, this 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe 2-door, priced at $7,900 in Crestwool, Oregon, features an automatic transmission and a red exterior with black interior. Showing 18,965 miles. It houses a straight-six engine and is described as a straight, unbonded car. The Mustang runs and drives well, offering a solid base for either building up or cruising. With a clean title and no significant damage reported, this coupe provides a straightforward, ready-to-enjoy example for buyers seeking an early Mustang with classic style and dependable everyday usability. Number 6. Refined and capable, this 1985 Ford F-250 4x2, priced at $7,500 in Battleground, Washington, features an automatic transmission and a red exterior paired with a black interior. Showing 100,000 miles and holding a clean title, the truck has received a partial restoration that includes fresh paint inside and out, a new headliner, re-upholstered front seat, new cab seals, a rear sliding window with new seals, and updated electrical and braking components, such as the voltage regulator, alternator, starter, master cylinder, and brake pads. Powered by a 460 cubic inch engine, it runs and drives exceptionally well, presenting a well-maintained long bed pickup for buyers seeking a dependable late 1980s Ford with strong mechanical reliability. Number 7. Resilience defines this 1967 Ford Ranch wagon. Offered at $4,500 in Albion, New York. Pairing an automatic transmission with a freshly rebuilt 289 cubic inch engine. Using a new timing set, valve seals, oil pump, water pump, gasket set, Edelbrock Performer intake, and a 600 CFM Edelbrock carburetor. Keystone wheels with wide rear tires complement a patina exterior showing minor rust and small dents, while the interior retains clean seats, an intact dash, and working accessories. Updated brake components, included exhaust parts, and solid underside condition make this long roof project an appealing late 60s wagon with simple needs before hitting the road. Number 7. Resilience defines this 1967 Ford Ranch wagon. Offered at $4,500 in Albion, New York. Pairing an automatic transmission with a freshly rebuilt 289 cubic inch engine. Using a new timing set, valve seals, oil pump, water pump, gasket set, Edelbrock Performer intake, and a 600 CFM Edelbrock carburetor. Keystone wheels with wide rear tires complement a patina exterior showing minor rust and small dents, while the interior retains clean seats, an intact dash, and working accessories. Updated brake components, included exhaust parts, and solid underside condition make this long roof project an appealing late 60s wagon with simple needs before hitting the road. Number 9. Refined and classic. This 1977 Lincoln Town Car, priced at $3,500 in Somerset, Kentucky, features an automatic transmission and a burgundy exterior with matching interior. Showing 100,000 miles and 3 or more owners. It has been updated with Phytec fuel injection for reliable starting. Though the starter may eventually need attention, the exterior is generally solid, with rust appearing on the vinyl roof, while the interior requires minor work, including patch panels for the passenger side floorboard, new carpet, and dash repair. Mechanically sound, with nearly new tires, this town car offers a traditional full-size Lincoln experience with manageable restoration needs. Number 10. Stylish and confident. This 1981 Buick Riviera Coupe 2-door, priced at $7,000 in Denton, Texas, features an automatic transmission and a tan exterior with matching interior, showing 81,500 miles and a single owner. It comes paid off with working power windows, seats, locks, mirrors, and trunk, plus a functioning sunroof and good heating. Recent maintenance includes new brakes, tires, carburetor, water pump, fuel pump, and battery, with rear air shocks added. The exterior is solid, with no frame rust and good floors. The only noted issue is a non-functioning fuel gauge, making this a well-maintained example of early 80s Buick luxury. Number 10. Stylish and confident. This 1981 Buick Riviera Coupe 2-door, priced at $7,000 in Denton, Texas, features an automatic transmission and a tan exterior with matching interior, showing 81,500 miles and a single owner. It comes paid off with working power windows, seats, locks, mirrors, and trunk, plus a functioning sunroof and good heating. Recent maintenance includes new brakes, tires, carburetor, water pump, fuel pump, and battery, with rear air shocks added. The exterior is solid, with no frame rust and good floors. The only noted issue is a non-functioning fuel gauge, making this a well-maintained example of early 80s Buick luxury. Number 12. Compact and sporty. This 1973 Oldsmobile Omega, priced at $8,000 in Cocoa, Florida, features an automatic transmission with a red exterior and black interior, showing 388,537 miles and a clean title. It remains a well-preserved example of an early 70s Oldsmobile coupe. Its combination of original condition and usability makes it a straightforward, ready-to-enjoy classic. The Omega was part of Oldsmobile's effort in the early 1970s to offer a smaller, more economical model with stylish design and reliable performance, bridging the gap between compact and full-size offerings of the era. Number 13. Bold and utilitarian. This 1979 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $4,500 in Newberry, South Carolina, features a 5.0 V8 paired with a TH200 automatic transmission, currently requiring manual shifting due to transmission work. The red exterior presents cleanly, and the vehicle is paid off with a clean title and no significant damage reported. Running and driving. It offers a straightforward classic coupe truck experience. The El Camino was Chevrolet's versatile blend of car and pickup, providing both style and utility in a single model during the late 1970s. Number 14. Rugged and upgraded. This 1964 Chevrolet C23 ton pickup, priced at $8,500 in Claremore, Oklahoma, features a 307 engine with a TH350 automatic transmission. The gray exterior and interior are well maintained, with the interior carefully restored. Recent upgrades include a new fuel system, 100-amp alternator, aluminum radiator with electric fan, column linkage, tune-up, brake master cylinder and booster, one-piece drive shaft, shocks, HEI ignition, and dual exhaust. Equipped with original extras such as steel wheels, underdash AC unit, and trim pieces, this C20 runs, drives, and stops well, offering a versatile base for finishing to personal preference. Number 15. Affordable and straightforward. This 1986 Pontiac 4-door, priced at $1,200 in Florence, Alabama, features an automatic transmission and a gold exterior. Showing 18,500 miles and 2 owners, the vehicle is paid off and runs, though it tends to overheat due to an undersized radiator and currently lacks a muffler. Presented as a fixer-upper, it offers buyers an opportunity to rebuild and customize to their preference, serving as a low-cost entry point into mid-1980s Pontiac sedans for those willing to invest in mechanical work.